Gorgeous Garage Slatwall enhances the look and function of any garage. It can be used as a complete wall covering, in sections, inside cabinets and lockers, or above a workbench. It can also be used in place of sheetrock if your garage has exposed studs. Our PVC extruded slat wall has a solid core construction and can hold up to 100 pounds per square foot. The scratch-resistant surface protects your walls from mold, mildew, and water. Gorgeous Garage Slat Wall is available in 9 different finishes to color coordinate with your cabinets, flooring, and monkey bars shelving, or can be used to create a custom two-tone look. With many different hooks and accessories, you will have plenty of options for all your storage needs. Our unique locking mechanism ensures the hook and your gear remain secured to the wall. We also offer workbench hooks to keep your workspace organized for your next project. Our consultants are experts in garage storage layout and design. They will bring product samples and color options for you to see during your free consultation. With your help, the consultant will design your custom garage layout to suit your specific needs. Call today to schedule a consultation with your local Gorgeous Garage dealer to make your dream garage come to life.